So let's say that you're selling a power bank and it explodes and, just lights up an entire house, people die. Or you sell a toy and something goes really wrong. Personal injury, property damage, etc. Well, these things can happen even with the best safeguards in place. And that's why there's something called product liability insurance. So product liability insurance is there to protect your business in case personal injury, property damage, etc. arise as a result of a, let's say, a manufacturing defect. Okay. However, a product liability insurance, which can cover, say, legal expenses and so on, expenses that will arise as a result of such a case, is not a substitute or a replacement in any way for actually ensuring compliance. So you can't say, okay, I'm just going to get a product liability insurance. I'm not going to bother with implementing standards, getting testing done, issuing documentation, getting the right labeling. No, that's not the way it works. It's not a catch-all. It's not a get out of jail free card. You can't pay and then you're off the hook. That's absolutely not the way it works. Insurance companies, at least what they should be doing, and I think that's what most of them do, at least the more established ones, they will vet your compliance documentation. What this means is that before you can actually sign up for a plan, for a policy, to have your products covered, then you will need to demonstrate that your product is compliant, or they will not provide. You will not be able to sign up for a product liability insurance. Now, the specific documentation depends, of course, on the product type, but we're looking at test reports that you need to share, compliance documentation, a declaration of conformity for the EU or the UK. In the US, it could be a children's product certificate, a general certificate of conformity, SDoc, etc., etc. Possibly also label files. So based on that, when they have then determined that, okay, this product is compliant, it's tested, verified as such, then you could sign up for a policy. At least that's the way it should work. So is product liability insurance mandatory? Generally speaking, not. Okay, I mean, could be a country or a state where it actually is or will be at some point, but generally speaking, it's not a situation where if you don't have product liability insurance, then you can't import products. Okay, but other than protecting your business, it could be a requirement from, say, certain retailers that they will not buy your products, they will not stock your products if you don't have product liability insurance. Likewise, as you may already know, Amazon, they have requirements which are tied in turn to to your revenue, right? So when you, at least that's the way it used to be, I think, that once you reach a certain revenue level on Amazon, it becomes mandatory to obtain product liability insurance. Okay, so yeah, product liability insurance, it's a fairly complex topic. What you can find on compliancegate.com, you can find lists of product liability insurance companies in the US, in Europe, in the UK, Australia, Singapore, and also here in Hong Kong. If you have any questions about product liability insurance, you can write a comment either on our website, if that's where you are right now, or you can also write a comment on our YouTube channel, well, the YouTube video to be specific. And of course, if you want more videos about product compliance in general, then I suggest that you subscribe. Thank you for watching.